Did you know that our planet is home to some pretty unusual animals? Yes, it's a veritable smorgasbord of the bizarre and the incredible, a testament to the boundless creativity of Mother Nature herself. You see, the world we live in is jam-packed with creatures that could easily star in their own science fiction movies, each one of them possessing unique abilities that would put any superhero to shame. Think about it. From the deepest depths of our oceans to the highest peaks of our mountains, from the scorching sands of the desert to the frozen tundra of the polar ice caps, life has found a way to thrive in the most unexpected of places. And in doing so, it has produced an array of animals that are as diverse as they are fascinating. Consider, for instance, the world's fastest animals. The cheetah, a creature capable of reaching speeds of up to 70 miles per hour. Or the peregrine falcon, which can dive at over 200 miles per hour. These aren't just impressive feats, they're downright mind-boggling. But it's not just about speed. Some animals have evolved in ways that allow them to survive in the harshest of conditions, to adapt to environments that would be inhospitable to most. Others have developed the most intricate of camouflage techniques, blending seamlessly into their surroundings and becoming virtually invisible to the untrained eye. And yet, despite the incredible diversity of animal life on our planet, we're only scratching the surface. There's still so much we don't know about these remarkable creatures, so many secrets waiting to be uncovered. This, my friends, is the wonder of nature. It's a constant reminder of the importance of biodiversity, of the need to protect and preserve the habitats of these unique animals, because without them, our world would be a far less interesting place. So let's dive into the world of these amazing creatures and see what makes them so unique. Prepare to be astounded, to have your perceptions of the animal kingdom turned on their head. Because the world is full of unusual animals, and we're about to meet some of the most extraordinary among them. First off, meet the Mimic Octopus, an underwater master of disguise. This remarkable creature is truly one of a kind. It hails from the warm tropical waters of the Indo-Pacific region, where it navigates the sandy seabeds and murky waters with a flair for the dramatic. The Mimic Octopus has a unique skill set that sets it apart from its eight-legged relatives. It's not just a master at changing its color and texture to blend into its surroundings, which, by the way, is an impressive feat in itself. No, the Mimic Octopus takes it a step further. It has the extraordinary ability to impersonate other sea creatures, and it does so to evade or deter predators. Imagine being a predator, and the tasty morsel you had your eye on suddenly transforms into a venomous lionfish or a deadly sea snake right before your very eyes. That would certainly make you think twice about your next meal, wouldn't it? That's exactly the kind of confusion the Mimic Octopus thrives on. But how does it do this? Well, it's a combination of keen observation and extreme flexibility. The Mimic Octopus observes the behaviors, movements, and shapes of different sea creatures, and then it contorts its soft body to mimic these characteristics. It can flatten its body to imitate a flounder, puff up its arms to appear as a poisonous lionfish, or wave two of its arms like the tentacles of a sea anemone. But the Mimic Octopus doesn't stop there. It also adjusts its behavior to match the creature it's impersonating. If it's pretending to be a sea snake, it will hide most of its body and expose only two arms, mimicking the appearance and movement of a snake's slender body and venomous fangs. This clever octopus is a testament to nature's creativity and the power of adaptation. It's a creature that truly embodies the phrase, survival of the fittest. So, the next time you see an underwater creature, ask yourself, could this be a Mimic Octopus in disguise? From the depths of the ocean, we now come to the axolotl, a creature straight out of a fantasy novel. This unique animal, also known as the Mexican walking fish, is not actually a fish, but a type of salamander. But it's not your average salamander either. Axolotls are neotenic, which means they never undergo metamorphosis that would normally transform them into a terrestrial adult. Instead, they remain in their juvenile, water-bound form throughout their entire lives, retaining their external gills and finned tails. Now, if you think that's interesting, wait until you hear about their superpower. The axolotl is a master of regeneration. We're not just talking about regrowing a lost tail or a limb, which in itself is mind-blowing. No, the axolotl takes it several steps further. It can regenerate its spinal cord, heart, and even parts of its brain. Can you imagine being able to regrow your heart or brain if they were damaged? For the axolotl, that's just a normal Tuesday. This extraordinary ability is due to their stem cells, which, unlike ours, do not have a limit to how many times they can divide and renew themselves. Scientists all over the world are studying these fascinating creatures, hoping to unlock the secrets of their regenerative abilities, with the dream of one day being able to apply it to human medicine. And it's not just their regenerative abilities that are fascinating. Axolotls have a wide range of color variations, including wild, albino, leucistic, similar to albino but with dark eyes, and even golden. This, along with their fringed gills and finned tails, gives them an almost alien-like appearance. With its alien-like appearance and incredible regenerative powers, the axolotl truly is a wonder of the animal kingdom. An animal that never grows up, that can regrow almost any part of its body and looks like it stepped out of a science fiction story, that's not just unique, that's absolutely extraordinary. Let's now journey to the deserts of Australia to meet the Thorny Devil, a lizard like no other. This is no ordinary reptile, folks. It's a fascinating creature that looks like it walks straight out of a science fiction movie. The Thorny Devil, also known as the Moloch, is a spiky, ant-eating lizard that has been perfectly crafted by nature to survive in the arid desert environment. Covered head to toe in thorny scales, this devil is anything but cuddly, but these spikes are more than just for show. They serve a dual purpose, defense and hydration. Yes, you heard it right. The Thorny Devil has a unique adaptation that lets it absorb water through its skin. How incredible is that? This lizard's entire body is covered in tiny grooves that collect dew and rainwater, channeling it directly to the corners of its mouth. This means that even in the driest of conditions, the Thorny Devil can quench its thirst, taking hydration to a whole new level. Now, let's talk about its bizarre defense mechanism. When threatened, the Thorny Devil presents a false head to its predator. This fake head, located on the back of its neck, confuses potential threats, giving the Thorny Devil a chance to escape. It's a clever trick that further highlights the adaptability of this extraordinary creature. Feasting primarily on ants, this devil has a sticky tongue that allows it to catch and consume thousands of ants in a single day. Despite its fierce appearance, the Thorny Devil is a slow-moving creature, relying heavily on its remarkable camouflage to blend into its surroundings and remain undetected by predators. Living in one of the harshest environments on Earth, the Thorny Devil is a testament to the power of adaptation. This spiky, slow-moving desert dweller shows us that nature always finds a way, no matter how harsh the conditions may be. So, the next time you think about the Australian outback, remember the Thorny Devil, a truly mind-blowing creature with a tale of survival that deserves our admiration. As we've seen, our world is full of incredible and unusual animals, each with their own unique abilities and adaptations. What a fascinating journey it's been, diving deep into the lives of some of the most extraordinary creatures on Earth. We started off with a menagerie of unusual animals, each more unique and astounding than the last. We then delved into the world of the Mimic Octopus, an underwater master of disguise, capable of changing its appearance to mimic other sea creatures. The Axolotl, a Mexican walking fish with the ability to regenerate its own body parts, was our next fascinating subject. Finally, we explored the life of the Thorny Devil, a reptile from the Australian outback that drinks water through its skin and has a false head on the back of its neck for misdirecting predators. These are just a few examples of nature's endless creativity and adaptability. Each of these animals, in their own unique way, contributes to the rich tapestry of biodiversity that makes our planet so remarkable and vibrant. Their unique abilities and adaptations are a testament to the power of evolution and the diversity of life on Earth. But it's not just about marveling at these wonders of nature. It's also about recognizing the importance of conserving these incredible species and the habitats they call home. Each animal we've discussed today plays a crucial role in their ecosystem, and their loss would be a devastating blow to the biodiversity of our planet. So let's continue to explore, learn, and do our part in preserving these amazing creatures and the world they inhabit. Remember, every small action we take can make a big difference in the grand scheme of things. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the animal kingdom. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll explore the mysteries of the deep sea. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on more incredible videos.